Every step that we take is about getting to the bag. It's about breaking the real estate money code. And there's nothing better than checking the bank, putting the bank in their place. I'll tell you this, some of you might not know how to get that limited POA signed. It's a power of attorney. So some people are like, oh my God, can you close my bank account? Can you pull the plug if I'm on life support? You know, I'm like, no, that ain't this power of attorney. Don't call me for that one. Is specific to the property, specific to the debt. Limited POAs are a thing. Limited POA. Now, that's how you tell them, you know, hey, listen, I can't go closing your bank account, opening bank accounts for you. This is specific to this mortgage and specific to this property. That's it. So this is why we need you to authorize this paperwork so I don't have to call you, interrupt your day, you know, have you set appointments and you got to miss work, or you got to pick up your kids early from school just so you can make this appointment for us to talk to your lender. No, I just need you to authorize this paperwork, and then we can go off and we can do what we do, because time is of the essence. The clock's ticking. So that limited POA, that's how you're going to get that signed, and that's the power of that. And when you have that limited POA on file with that lender, when you call them, then you're going to get the automated system. You're going to put in some information. You're going to put in the seller's last 4 digits of their social security number. And then an agent is going to get on the line and they're going to say, oh, hello, is this Mr. So-and-so? Last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is their account. Okay, I'm just going to pull you up here real quick. They pull you up. Okay, I see you're authorized on the account. Oh, that's a power of attorney. Okay. Like, you can hear the difference. They're not used to that limited power of attorney being on there. They're used to maybe an information release. So they get to, you know, be assholes because, you know, they can just release information. You don't have any options to sway anything. With that limited power of attorney, you are them in essence. If they talk fly, guess what? You get to talk fly. And I like talking fly. I'm telling you, I should have put up the email for y'all. I got an email to a lender that's so tough. I don't cuss people out and yell and all that, because that will get you nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. So that's not what I'm saying to do. What I'm telling you to do is to stand in your power. You stand in your power. You're not a homeowner who's behind on your mortgage. You're not a homeowner who doesn't know anything about these options. You are a real estate professional and a foreclosure mitigation specialist. So understand that and talk with that in your voice. This is super valuable. The value of understanding a homeowner's mortgage status and past relief history. You want to see if the lender or servicing company has online tracking tools or software that help homeowners maintain up-to-date records of their mortgage status. Now, we get to maintain updated records of that mortgage status. So instead of doing that meticulous stuff, a little simple tip like that will save you hours. And if we're doing this alone, those hours count. So these little tips are what breaks the money code for us, because we have to work as effectively and as efficiently as possible.